Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, your savings never seem to grow? What if there was a way to generate passive income that grows while you sleep, without needing to constantly trade hours for dollars? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 5 passive income ideas that can help you grow your wealth over time with minimal ongoing effort. These ideas aren't quick schemes, but sustainable strategies that can lead to long-term financial growth and independence. Let's jump in and explore how you can create consistent passive income for yourself, starting today. 1. Dividend-paying stocks and ETFs. The first passive income idea is investing in dividend-paying stocks and ETFs. When you buy dividend-paying stocks, you essentially become a shareholder in a company, and in return, the company pays you a portion of its earnings in the form of dividends. The beauty of this strategy is that it requires little effort once you've made the initial investment. You don't need to sell your stocks to make money, you can sit back and collect dividends every quarter, automatically increasing your income without lifting a finger. One of the best ways to invest in dividend-paying stocks is through exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs give you the advantage of diversifying your portfolio because they hold multiple stocks within a single fund. For example, you could invest in an ETF that focuses on high-dividend companies or one that tracks specific sectors, like real estate or technology, allowing you to earn from multiple sources. The advantage of ETFs is that they reduce risk and provide a steady income stream without requiring constant monitoring. The key to making this strategy work is researching the right companies or funds. Look for companies that have a track record of consistent dividend payments, as these are often more reliable. As you continue to invest and reinvest your dividends, your income will grow steadily over time. Dividend reinvestment can amplify your returns, allowing you to earn more as your portfolio grows. Whether you're looking for steady income or a way to build wealth over time, dividend stocks and ETFs provide an excellent option for long-term growth. 2. Real estate, REITs or rentals. The next passive income strategy involves real estate, a tried-and-true method for building wealth. However, you don't necessarily need to own or manage physical properties to earn from real estate. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer an excellent way to passively invest in real estate. REITs pool money from various investors to purchase and manage real estate properties, such as shopping malls, office buildings, and apartment complexes. By investing in a REIT, you gain exposure to real estate assets, earning dividends from rental income and capital appreciation without the headache of property management. Another way to earn from real estate is by owning rental properties. By purchasing homes or apartments and renting them out, you can earn steady rental income each month. However, this method does require more hands-on management, especially if you own multiple properties. Luckily, with services like Airbnb and property management companies, you can automate much of the process and make this income stream more passive. You simply collect rent each month, or charge for short-term rentals, and let someone else handle the day-to-day operations. REITs are especially great for beginners, as they allow you to invest in real estate without needing large amounts of capital. For rental properties, you need some upfront investment, but the income can be consistent and long-lasting. The key is to find the right properties, whether you choose long-term rentals or short-term rentals, and ensure your rent covers the mortgage, taxes, and maintenance costs. The passive income from both REITs and rental properties can complement your existing income while growing over time. 3. Digital products and content creation. Another powerful passive income idea is creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, templates, and stock photos. Digital products offer an incredible opportunity to generate income passively because once you create the product, you can sell it countlessly without having to put in extra effort each time. If you have expertise in a specific field or a passion for creating, you can easily turn that knowledge into valuable digital assets. For instance, if you're an expert in coding, you could create a coding course and sell it on platforms like Teachable or Thinkific. If you love nutrition, you could write an ebook with healthy recipes or meal plans and sell it on Amazon KDP. You could even create a travel guide or a fitness plan for specific audiences, which can be sold to thousands of people. The beauty of these products is that they require minimal maintenance after the initial creation. You only need to build the product once, and it will continue to generate passive income over time. What sets digital products apart is their scalability. Unlike physical goods that require inventory or shipping, digital products can be easily replicated. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, and Thinkific allow you to list and sell your creations, with everything handled automatically, from payment processing to file delivery. Once you have set up your store, the products will sell on autopilot. Moreover, you can automate marketing by using tools like email campaigns, social media ads, and SEO optimization to drive traffic to your products. This enables you to keep earning money 24/7. Whether you're passionate about creating art, templates, or educational content, digital products give you the opportunity to earn passive income while you sleep. Over time, you can create multiple digital products and further increase your earnings with minimal work, making this one of the best ways to leverage your skills and creativity for long-term income. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income online. It's a simple concept: promote products from other companies and earn a commission whenever someone purchases through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once your content is published, whether it's a blog post, YouTube video, or social media post, the income keeps coming in without you needing to create your own product. To start affiliate marketing, you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Shopify's affiliate program. After joining, you'll receive a unique link for each product you want to promote. You can then embed these links in your content, whether it's through reviews, tutorials, or recommendations. The more traffic you drive to your content, the more potential for sales and, in turn, commissions. Once you've built up a steady stream of traffic to your content, affiliate marketing becomes a hands-off source of income. This model can be particularly profitable if you focus on high-ticket items or niche products that align with your audience's needs. You can even automate your income by using tools like email sequences to drive sales and increase commissions on autopilot. Over time, this can turn into a solid passive income stream that grows as your audience expands. 5. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. For those who prefer a low-risk and steady form of passive income, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, are excellent choices. Both of these options allow you to earn interest on your savings, but the best part is that once you set them up, the process is completely automated. You simply deposit your money into an account, and it starts earning interest on its own, with little to no involvement required from you. High-yield savings accounts typically pay better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow over time. CDs, on the other hand, lock in your money for a specified period, usually ranging from 6 months to several years. The longer you keep your money in the CD, the higher the interest rate, making this an excellent choice for those who can afford to let their money sit and grow without needing immediate access. Though the returns on these options might not be as high as the others, the low-risk, stable nature of these income streams makes them a solid choice for building wealth over time. By regularly contributing to your high-yield savings account or purchasing more CDs, you can grow your money with minimal effort. This is an excellent option for anyone looking to automate income with low risk while still earning a consistent return. And there you have it, 5 passive income ideas to help you grow your wealth with minimal effort. These strategies are all about making your money work for you rather than constantly working for money. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on creating long-term financial growth and building passive income streams. Let me know in the comments which idea you're excited to start, and I'll see you in the next video.